Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fostermans video. Long time no see. I have been flat out with personal things, but now I'm back at the charts and I am ready to deliver some of the best potential plays you guys have ever seen. Just look at gold right now. Okay, we're sitting at 3.3k. It's just on a mad one right now. So realistically, these are going to be a lot quicker, okay, because we're changing up from bias builders to just potential plays because that's what everyone wants. If you're not familiar with potential plays, realistically, just quickly, this is just a level, okay? So let me just show you. It would just be a level like this, okay, with a certain number, and then what we do is we wait on the reaction, okay? So we come down and we wait until price hits here, and then we analyze the order flow, okay? So that's pretty much you know, the bare bones basics of what a potential play is. So real quick, let's get right into it. So from here, okay, so what you're going to want to do is we have these templates, okay, so the potential play template, and you can find them in the Discord if you need them. A lot of guys just literally copy and paste them, so but all these tools anyway are just available on TradingView, and we go over them in our WAP as well, so there's that. So let's start off with the range point of control, okay? So what we're going to want to do is just look at the blank chart, which is going to be the best. If it works, let's see. Let's just give it a quick refresh, okay? So what we're looking for is just range point of controls. You guys are already familiar with them all. So let's just get these loaded in. So realistically, just pull this full range. Let's see, okay, the most volume coming in around there. I'm actually surprised. I thought it would have been around here, to be fair. So that's why this tool is so handy, right? Because, you know, visually you would think the most volume was coming in here, right? Just because of the way it ranged up, but you can actually see the majority of it came in through here. So that's, you know, that's something to be aware of, to say the least. But I don't really like the look of too many of these things. We got one there. Let's go 30 min. Okay, let's go 30 min. Because I would rather prefer just, we'll work our way, we'll start with 5 actually, and we'll work our way down. So let's just see on the 5 minute, like I say, you know, pull the whole thing, so from start to the end of the range, right? And then you could actually see, okay, the most volume came in around here. So we'll market that one, even though I don't really like this one. I'm not actually going to market them. To be fair, the market's moving quite efficiently. So, you know, in those sort of times, yeah, you can see something like this, right? So you can see here that this range, and then we just completely destroyed the range. But then once we broke out of this sort of area, right, once we broke this POC, then we came back, retapped it, and then off to the races we went. Here's a nice one here. Okay, that's pretty much untapped. Yeah, that's a really nice one. So we'll get this marked down. I suppose this is sort of one here, but we'll wait until the 30 minute. But you know, we're not really getting too many potential plays, right? Well, we don't know that yet, but we're not getting too many range point controls. So let me just see. These are all the old ones. Okay, and let's get the 30 minute. So for all you guys wondering, I actually am in Vietnam right now. So for the last 90 days, I was away visiting family and stuff like that back home. But I am back in Asia. So you guys will probably see me around Asia. If any of you guys are around Asia, hit me up, because it's always cool to have a couple more trading buddies, trading partners and stuff like that. Okay, there's one 30 minute range POC. So let's just try to see if, okay, this one was completely beautiful, right? Like, this is why I love these, okay? Because you can see here, this range, boom, tap, and then boom. You know, you could realistically, you could just take these as they are, but that is not my preference at all. I like to, you know, have a little bit more security in my trades, right? A good little saying for you guys is, if you wouldn't take that trade with $1 million, that's the reason you don't have $1 million. know, because you don't really want to sit here and risk. And I do know, right, that a lot of the guys have ABC setups and stuff like that. You know, A setup, a B setup, a C setup, etc., etc. But that is just not my style, right? All my setups are A setups, and also just don't take them. Now, saying that, okay, I would take these trades just normally, right? Like I could just take these as they are, the range point controls and stuff. But again, that's just not my style. Okay, you can actually see here, was this little range got hit? Oof, you see that there, just this little bit here. That's where the most volume came in. Yeah, we skimmed it. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that, to be fair. So let's get these away. This table I'm on right now is so shaky. But we ball, we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. So what you want to do is just go over here, click here, and go to range point control 30 min. Okay, and let's just hide these, and we can get rid of the rest. They're all old. And now let's go and find the naked POCs. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is hit the potential play button, and you can see already, right? See all these colored lines? They're all naked points of control. So you're just going to want to mark these out, and realistically, okay, you're going to want to get them on the most granular you can find them, right? So you don't want anything, you know, too weird per se. By that I just mean, like, you know, we're trying to get exact levels. Okay, so 3393, that's a perfect psychological level right there. So this closed session POC is just beautiful. And then we're going to get this Asia POC, and they're the two most recent, right? Can we go all the way up here? Yes, gold can do anything at the moment, so let's just mark that. Okay, and let's just see. So this one here is going to be Asia. So let's get this as Asia POC. This one here is going to be another Asia. So let's get that marked out as an Asia POC. And this one here is going to be close. So let's get this marked out as a close. So there we go. And let me get all these into the folders, just to stay a little bit more organized. A lot of you guys actually don't know how to do that. So I have that in my WAP as well. The reason why we have it organized, basically just to knock some of that little bit of stress away, right? Trying to find things. Naked session POC. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing, right? I actually done the naked session POCs. These are the naked session POCs. So we actually just done them. Okay, naked POCs is daily, weekly, monthly. So let's go to the daily, and we'll just get these marked out real quick. Okay, this is current, so we don't need that, but here is a naked daily POC right here at a psychological level, which is really nice. And this one here is, in my opinion, at a psycho level. You know, we're literally just 3 ticks off. So if we, you know, go up 3 ticks, I wouldn't be, you know, panicking, being like, whoa. Okay, so there's the dailies. So let's get these marked as the daily POC. Where are we? Daily POC. Okay, let's get these into the folder. These will be a lot quicker, by the way, in the future. And we're already on 9 minutes, and my daily bias builder used to only be 9 minutes. So. But it is just because I'm going through a few things and kind of just getting back into the swing of things for you guys. And there's a couple changes as well, like I said, but not major changes, right? Just incremental changes that are, you know, that I know you guys will benefit from 10 times more. Like, okay, like right now we're getting exact levels. Okay, there's no like sort of zone play or nothing. And, you know, I know guys that trade zones and they're very, very profitable, so I'm not bashing it or nothing. But, you know, it is here's one here, here's one here. Let's get these marked. These are the monthly, so I'm going to do monthly POC. And there we go. Okay, and then we go to our potential play, and this is when we turn on all these levels. Okay, and you can already see up here, right? What is one of these? Okay, we got the naked daily POC and a range POC. So that's, but they're on the exact same level. So let's just mark this. So we go naked daily POC plus, what was it? Our POC on the 30 minute. I'm doing lower place, just get clean. You know, because it's a new week, new month, new day, that's why you'll get these sort of levels like looking like that. Okay, so it's not a big deal. That'll go away. What? Range POC on the 5 min. So for some reason that's not marked out. Let me see range POC on the 5 min. Okay, so we got a previous week VWAP standard deviation band on the downside. So previous week VWAP minus 1, and then plus we have a range POC on the 5 min. Okay, and if you guys don't know what these tools are, like the VWAP and stuff like that, you can easily find them elsewhere inside the WAP, right? Or you could just literally go to the Discord, ask anyone in there, and they'll be able to explain it to you really quick, especially our staff. Our staff is just really, really good at the moment with being concise and stuff like that, recommended videos and stuff like that. So naked daily POC and then previous day POC, that is the same. And yeah, that's going to be it. Okay, so let's put this back on the standard chart. I actually like going to completely nothing, right, and then taking off all these levels. Okay, and then here's our two potential plays for today. We have the naked daily POC plus the range POC. Again, this is a very similar level. Okay, this is not like this. Okay, this here in itself is strong enough. Okay, this is strong enough to take a trade off. This here is also strong enough to take a trade off. But yeah, the naked daily POC is going to be the exact same as that range POC. So this is quite a decent level to take from. So let's get these moved inside the potential plays. Just get these deleted here. And there we go. So this is the first potential play video. So back from a while, let's just give these numbers real quick. 3386.7 and 3305.5. Okay, they're going to be the two levels that we're going to trade from. Of course, we have these ranges as well, these range POCs that we will be looking to take place from, okay, like this one right here. And then as the day goes on, more 5-minute range POCs and more 30-minute range POCs will start presenting themselves. So realistically, keep an eye out for that, but we will be live within the next couple days, so you can trade with us live. And yeah, really just start, you know, trading good. You know, I know a lot of people that used to trade ICT and stuff like that are coming to us and learning from us as well. So it's good to see that, right? It's unfortunate that they weren't able to, you know, take the steps into profitability, but you know, that's what we're here for. We'll help you get to that profitable standpoint in trading. So if there's any questions, or if you guys enjoyed the video or anything, leave a comment and join the Discord, and you can realistically see a bunch of stuff. And we also have a 3-day free trial and all our stuff as well, so you can join the course. If you don't like it, you can literally learn everything if you really wanted to within those 3 days. And if you don't like it, you know, it's no harm done. So I will see you guys in the next one, and peace. Let's see if it works. No, it's not working. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.